Fanduel's website is technically only available in certain regions of the US, but in reality, a Fanduel VPN can help you access it from anywhere in the world. Small disclaimer, I am not here to promote gambling. I am only here to show how to access the Fanduel website. If you're gonna gamble, make sure you do it responsible, and if you can't do that, hey, look into therapy or any of those gambling helplines that are out there. Alright, enough preaching. Back to the task at hand. Finding a VPN that works with Fanduel really isn't that hard. You just have to know what to look for. A proper VPN for Fanduel should have lots of servers in different US states, stable server connections, and excellent speeds. So, for example, can you use NordVPN for Fanduel? Of course you can. It was actually one of the most stable Fanduel VPN options that I've tested. Let me show you how it works. First, if I try to access the Fanduel website, oh look, there's a defined list of states where this thing works, and I ain't in one of them. Let's fix that. In the NordVPN app, I can choose a region that should allow me to connect, like the New York server. Hey, what up? Now, if I reload the Fanduel website, I'm in. See, the way this works is that the VPN changes my IP address and leads the website to believe that I'm connecting from a different location. Essentially, any proper VPN should be able to do the trick. But when we get down to it, the website tends to block certain VPNs. So to save you the hassle of searching for the right VPN, well, I just went ahead and left a few links in the description for VPNs that actually work. And then I added their latest discount codes as well, so you get to cut the prices down a little or a lot. Now, my NordVPN Fanduel journey was successful, but in some cases, you might get an error page. For that, usually changing a server will fix it, so a VPN that has lots of servers is gonna be your best bet. NordVPN has over 1,900 servers in the US. There's also ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, IPVanish, and Surfshark. These are all great VPNs for Fanduel outside the US or within the United States where it's not available. All of these guys have a great number of servers in the US, bottom line. Just be aware of the different price tags. If you don't want to spend tons of dough, Surfshark is currently the cheapest with their long-term plans. And Surfshark VPN, just like Nord, also accepts crypto at the moment, if that's something you need or even have right now. As for ExpressVPN, they don't specify how many servers they have in the US, but I found plenty of different server options across the states. It's definitely one of the best VPN 2023 picks for Fanduel, since I didn't encounter any errors while testing. The process of how to use VPN for Fanduel is exactly the same too. Connect to the server in the right state and bing bing bing, you're ready to play. If you want to know more about each best VPN candidate to make your decision, all you got to do then is subscribe to our channel because we have tons of thorough reviews from each and every one of them. All right, question? So, can I use a VPN for Fanduel? Yes, you can. Not only does Fanduel work with a VPN, you've got multiple Fanduel VPN options. Let me know which one you end up picking. Just tap that box for the best VPN Fanduel edition deals. Hey, that's it for this video. Clean and simple. All right, I hope to see you in the next one and that you avoid any gambling issues.